In this Foxy Tech video, you'll learn how to access developer options on your Steam Deck. Use gaming mode, not desktop mode, for these settings. First, press the Steam button to open the Steam menu. Next, open Settings. From there, in System, scroll down until you see Enable Developer Mode. After that, enable the checkbox to turn developer mode on. If developer doesn't appear, return to the settings sidebar and reopen it. Then, scroll to the bottom of the left sidebar where developer will appear. Once you're there, open developer to access the new options. And that's how you access developer options on your Steam Deck. Subscribe to Foxy Tech for more Steam Deck tutorials.